35 miles an hour US. Those are all the cedar trees, you see them? They harvest those. They're all protected. This is the pilot, Mr. Watanabe. Master. Right now, entering Kochi City. Our pilot is obviously Mr. Watanabe-san, ace driver. And he's taking us through the city now. They're saying right now the speed limit is about 50 kilometers an hour. US, that's about 30 miles an hour. You can see the cars are really tiny here, so I asked, and she told us that the reason why is because the roads are so small. But can you imagine now, Mr. Watanabe-san gotta navigate this 45 passenger bus through these towns that are meant for these tiny little cars. In fact, they were meant for a horse and a buggy. They weren't even meant for a car when they were first designed way back in the ancient times of the samurai. But we have our shogun, Mr. Watanabe, gonna take us with this bus. But Japan is a very clean place, as you can see. There's no rubbish on the road. You won't find a soda cup here or there. Trash is kept to a minimum here. Everything is pretty much clean. The only reason why you see weeds and stuff is because it rains a lot, especially in the spring. And guess when we're here? It's in the spring. But we're lucky because we're not raining, and we should knock on, look at for pieces of wood. Yeah, we're so lucky, you know. And hopefully we get to see sakura, because sakura is in the spring. So, and then you see these, this is Lawson. Lawson is like an ABC store in Hawaii, and they have them all over the place. And if you like to eat a lot of really good Japanese food, guess where you gotta go? You gotta go to Japan. Stupid.
Because there are every day they have a market. Sunday market is the biggest one.
Oh.
400 stores.
Wow.
And 300 years ago it started. November I came here last year with the group. And they were here on Monday, so they couldn't see it.
Oh, sucks to be them.
Yes.
You understand sucks?
Yes.
You know sucks?
Unfortunate.
No, yeah. No good, don't teach them.
That word?
Yeah, no, don't teach them that word. No. Yeah, sucks. It's an American loser. Sucks. Anyway, I'm not gonna teach this guy bad stuff. Over here, this is Kochi town. Very beautiful town here. In
Small.
Small town.
330,000.
330,000.
330,000. Not even half a million.
Not even half a million
not
in Kochi. Wow.
Small town for us.
That's beautiful. Did you know that in Hawaii in 1968 our population of all of the states was 268,000? That's it.
And now
over shucks. Over on our island we got over 2 million must be, yeah.
Wow.
Something like that. But that's okay. Okay, I bought a knife from this gentleman right here. I asked him what was the best one that he had available, and I bought the one right down there. He originally wanted 110 yen. I got it for 100, and they're all handmade. They're the best in the land. You can get the cheaper ones for about $12, but in the long run, if you want to get a really nice carbon blade, you want to buy the best. Don't fool around with the second-hand junk stuff. You want to have one where the guy autographed his name on the blade, and it's something that he's extremely proud of making. This is the swap meet in Kochi, Japan, and I am with my wife Cindy. Alright, are you having a good time? Okay, interesting things. So I got what I wanted. Now I want her to get something that she really wants to get. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little while. Aloha. Oh, this is a twist. Here I am in Japan, and this guy's putting a twist on a hot dog, man. It's pretty trippy. He's got a semi-butterfly and definitely a twist. He's got it cooking on some pretty trippy wood. What kind of wood is that, bro? You know what kind of wood it is that? Oh, I guess yeah, that is a big language barrier here, bro. It looks like some pretty hardy wood. Malawas. Yeah, he's putting a twist on it. Yeah. Wow, look at this one. This guy's on fire, man. He got his higher on fire.
Wow, look at charcoal.
Charcoal.
Oh, the wood. They use that wood.
Wood, yeah. What kind of wood is that, you know?
They don't understand.
No, you don't understand. It's a burning wood. Oh, wow, that's a burning. Is that a burning wood?
Put the number.
I know, they're drawing pictures and numbers on coins before. Wow, do you like see the fake strawberries? Wow. They trip on some fake strawberries. Let's see. Yeah, no, they get the fake strawberries. Right here. Hi. Those are. Yeah. Right, ice. They call it iced tomato. Alright, this is some crazy street food right here. The straight one is $3, and the $4 one get the tamago, and the other one has the cheese on top. We bought some and we're gonna try it out, and it looks pretty doggone good. These guys look like they know what they're doing, so we're gonna try it out right now. Fantastic. Here's Cindy, she's got it. Wow, look at that. It's hot right off of the grill. You can see it right there, it's cooking. Take a bite of that, Cindy. Want to let me know what you think about it. Oh boy, let's see this. Oh boy. Wow. Is that good?
Yeah.
Wow. Here. Can you show them what is inside? Look at that.
Okay, Lester. What you got?
I don't know what it is.
The sauce is very potent. How come the thing came dark? Maybe the lighting? Okay, so how does it taste? How does it taste?
I don't know, but I just took 2 bites and it's almost gone.
Okay. Huh.
Alright, here we are. We're in Osaka. Osaka, Japan right now, man. Yeah. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna grind. Right now they said not too busy. Just cruising. Me, Bill, Yvette and Cindy. You know the group. You know the group already. I don't need to explain to you guys, but check out this view, bro. That's what I'm talking about, my brother. You guys get drones. I get stoned. Oh, police. Oh, wait. Red. And let's see nobody else stopping. He's an illusionist.
Hello. Hi, we're in Osaka now. Kobe, Osaka. And this is the nightlife. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Look, look. Wow! Just like Las Vegas, yeah? Wow.
Let's go check it out.
Come on.
Oh, it's going on video now. We're on video now. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Here we are.
Where are we?
Osaka,
Japan.
Kobe. What are we going to do right now?
It's the 10th of April, 2018.
Yeah.
What are we going to do now?
Look for something to eat.
Boogie down.
All right, we're going to boogie down, sing karaoke, and all that. Aloha. Billy, what is this? Vegetable.
Maybe we eat here.
All right, you go eat over here, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you go
Okay.
to that one.
You know what is this?
Looks like
Vegetable. Oh, over there, get some more vegetable, Bill. Look. Right there.
where?
Right there. Pateno. Oh, no, no. Mucho lo gorille.